So we made it to Port Royal, but we don't know where to find a space. So I'm calling someone to try and direct us right now. Alright, so let's see. So she said not this left. Oh, this is, oh no, that's Port Royal. This is Excelsior. Oh, Excelsior. So not this left. Yeah, yeah. Oh, we have to park in there?
Alright, I'm gonna go check.
Yeah. I really come to Port Royal early. I need to call my friend and find out where she is.
First.
Yeah. The sign was literally right here, but it's so small that nobody could see it. Anyways, we parked over there, so we're gonna head over this side now. I gotta sign this waiver form. And that's the yacht down there. Yeah.
Right for one, right for one, right for one. Let the dog them bow.
What's up in a red top? Oh God, the bad girl that shit like a. We got your boy say you are what I got. Need you, true. She a man, man, born and the only man she want. Live for one body poor. We give you any real body poor. I'm getting money like I'm popping. I'm getting money like I'm.
Einstein.
We made it to Maiden Key. They have a nice little crowd here. We struggled over. I did some swimming lessons, but I still can't swim properly. But yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna just enjoy the island, the very small island. This is literally just a small piece of island with sand. It's like a beach island. Nothing else, no trees or anything. And it's called Maiden Key. Yeah, so we're here for a few hours, and then yeah, we'll go back on mainland.
Don't know my cat dance actually. Again, but could I dance?
I'm not going to and can dance.
Could I dance good before?
So where y'all do now?
When I did sleep, you know when I did manga?
Yeah.
So
wait now, no, for doing that.
My toe hurts.
Why you do?
Because it's when we were coming over from the yacht to this island, I stepped on a rock or something. So
The step on one hole and it straight down, face down better.
So it's like, yeah, it's a lot of rocks were there.
When
I
we reach
saw
the man
them,
say,
so I
I can't stand up now.
I
The
didn't
man say,
stop
I can't stand up. I may stand up. I may step on one hole, my foot gone in there.
Really?
I try to balance myself.
I never have none of those experiences.
I want to go in the water. I
spray
haven't
them
been
from
in
my
the water.
Yeah, it's a black ashika bottom. Sachoney, your eyes are closed.
No, no.
Watch it. Look at the picture. Look nice in your eyes.
It's fine. You can take. You can use it if you want.
Remember the dance?
Come dancer. Hey, I like the way you move. I like the way you set me up. Hey. It's so windy here, and the water is getting rough.
For me slow, wind up your hip right rhythm for me slow.
Leaving the place right now. I'm not sure if we're gonna head home, but I am tired. I'm tired. So let's see how the day goes. We are literally the last person to leave, the last of the people to leave the parking lot. Can you imagine?